everyone, welcome to day 5 of my high-frequency GRE vocabulary series. If you want to boost your GRE vocabulary, you are absolutely in the right spot. Today we are diving into 3 keywords that will supercharge your GRE preparation. And those words are banal, repudiate and confound. I'll break down each word, explore its meaning, then show you how it's used in sentences, then apply all 3 keywords in a short passage that represents a real life scenario so that you will remember them deeply for life. So stick with me until the end to fully master these words. Ready to get started? Let's jump into our first word, and that is banal. Banal means boring, ordinary and not original. For instance, his jokes were banal and he didn't laugh anyone. Or his ideas were so banal that he failed to inspire anyone. Next word is repudiate. Repudiate means to reject. For instance, he repudiated the offer as it was not suitable, or he repudiated the incorrect report. And the last word is confound. Confound means to confuse or surprise someone. For instance, his strange behavior confounded everyone, or his answer at the meeting confounded everyone. That's all for the words and their sentences. For the short passage, please visit the link in the description box where you can download it. And that's a wrap for today. We have covered banal, repudiate and confound, exploring their meanings and their real life usage. I hope these words are now crystal clear to you and ready to use. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more GRE tips. And ring the bell so you never miss any update. Anyway, stay blessed and stay tuned for next video.